Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking live stream thumbnail for your YouTube channel or any other platform. If you stream daily and need a thumbnail that attracts viewers but don't know how to design one, or you want to save time, then Canva is an excellent website for you. Go to canva.com and create an account. In Canva, you can either create your thumbnail from scratch or customize pre-made templates designed by professionals. So, you have two options: start from scratch or modify the pre-made templates. We'll be editing a pre-made template to save time. Create your account, and after that, go to the search bar and type Live Stream Thumbnail. Now you'll see a variety of options. Explore them, and keep in mind that while some are paid, you'll have access to hundreds of other free thumbnails you can design or modify. If you don't find what you want, just search for a live thumbnail and explore the options. Maybe this one looks good, or that one as well. Whether you're a gamer or any type of live streamer, you can pick one. I'll go with this one since it's free. After opening a template, you'll see hundreds of other options. Keep exploring. I think I'll choose this one, okay. I will go with this one. Just customize this template. You'll be able to modify everything you want. For example, if I want to work with text, I'll select the text, and here's the option to change the font. Pick any font you like. If you want to change the color, go to the color settings for the color you prefer. There is also a redo option. If you want to bold your text in Canva, note some fonts only support bold. You can also make it italic if you want, or underline. Just use the underline option. If you want to add effects, go to the Effects menu. Here you can choose from various effects. If you want to crop something, you can crop it, or remove effects as needed. Here you'll find advanced text color and effect options. Similarly, if you want to replace the image with your own, then go to Upload. For example, I will upload it from my computer. Click Upload Images, then your image will appear here. For example, if I want to replace it with my image, just drag and drop it. Now you can see it, and you can adjust the size. Just double-click and resize it. Stretch it as needed, or adjust as you like. If you want to change the background, you can upload an image from your computer and just drag and drop it as well. For instance, I'll use something like this, and then send it to the back. Right now it's in front. Just send it to the back and play with transparency if you like. If you want to add a background from Canva, go to the folders and maybe search for something related to gaming, like a gaming background. Now you can see more options. Pick one, or upload your own image from your computer if you have one. This way, you can modify anything you like. Once you're done with your design and have added your branding and text, review your thumbnail to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're satisfied and everything is ready to go, to export it, go to the Share option, then to Download. Since it's a YouTube thumbnail, YouTube requires PNG format. But if you want another format, other options are available. Just download it and upload it to your videos. That's a simple way to create a live stream YouTube thumbnail in Canva within a few minutes. An added benefit is that you can modify pre-made templates by other professionals. Keep learning about Canva, and within a few weeks, you'll be designing great thumbnails from scratch and discovering many features and tools Canva offers. Just enjoy designing, creating graphics, documentation, and videos in Canva.